This morning, let's bring our bodies to life with dynamic movements that will awaken every muscle. These next 5 minutes are all about inviting flexibility, balance, and warmth into every part of the body. Feel each movement as it flows, setting the tone for an energized day. Start by standing tall, feet hip-width apart. Take a deep breath in, reaching your arms to the sky. As you exhale, fold forward from your hips, letting your hands reach toward your toes. Sweep your arms across your feet from side to side, allowing each sweep to open up your hamstrings and lower back. Let each movement guide you deeper into flexibility, as if brushing away tension and stiffness. This dynamic bend is the beginning of your morning rhythm, preparing you to move with ease. Lie down on your back, crossing your right ankle over your left knee. Pull your left thigh gently towards you, feeling a stretch through your hips and glutes. With each breath, allow the stretch to deepen, loosening any stiffness in your hips. Switch sides, crossing your left ankle over your right knee. This movement releases the lower body, leaving you feeling balanced and centered, ready to take on whatever lies ahead. Kneel down, reaching your arms forward into child's stretch. Feeling the release through your back and shoulders. Slide forward on an inhale, lifting your chest into a gentle chest lift. With each exhale, move back into child's stretch, finding balance between grounding and openness. This continuous movement brings flexibility and calm into your spine, as if creating waves of energy that run through you. Let each flow invite a new sense of strength and ease. Stand up, feet wide, and shift into a side lunge on your right side, feeling the stretch through your inner thigh. Move to center, then lunge to the left, gently opening up each side of your hips. Between lunges, fold into a runner's stretch, reaching for your toes. This flow releases tightness in your legs and hips, making space for flexible movement. Each transition brings energy to your lower body, preparing you for the day ahead. Finish off on all fours, ready for a gentle spinal wave. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your gaze and tailbone. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest. Feel each vertebrae shift, releasing any last bits of tension in your back. Let this wave guide your breath and body into alignment, filling you with calm readiness. This rhythmic stretch is your grounding moment, connecting every part of your body. Great job, fam. In these 5 minutes, you've awakened every part of your body, creating balance and flexibility. Carry this flow with you into your day, feeling open and energized. Try another stretch, a workout, or a moment of stillness to stay connected to this feeling. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.